What's good, everyone? Today we're doing something special, a full side-by-side comparison of the Air Jordan 11 Space Jam 2016 versus the 2026 Retro. The 2026 version doesn't officially drop until December, but we got our hands on a pair early. So let's break down exactly what Jordan Brand changed. Change 1, heel number 14.5 to 23. This is the biggest one. Change 2, JUMPMAN logo color. Look at the thumb of JUMPMAN and the side JUMPMAN on both pairs under the sun lighting. On the 2016 version, the blue on the JUMPMAN is a deeper, slightly muted royal blue. It leads a bit darker and more subdued. On the 2026 version, that blue has been dilated up. It's noticeably brighter and more vibrant. Change 3, the carbon fiber. Okay, this one is for the detail nerds and it's generally interesting. On the 2006 version, the carbon fiber has a classic gray square block pattern that familiar woven look you'd expect. On the 2060 version, Jordan Brand has switched the texture to a circular dot pattern. Change 4, the OUTSOLE color. The 2026 also has been shifted to a cleaner, brighter deep blue, no purple cast, more of a true royal blue tone. Honestly, the 2026 version feels like a Jordan Brand going back to pure classic mode. This drops December 2026, and based on what we are seeing with this early pair, it's going to be one of the biggest releases of the year. Stay locked, subscribe, and we'll have more updates as we get closer to drop day.